This 3D print should be 1000% illegal. Thanks a lot, David. Now I have to sanitize my printer. What should I print next?